Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop automatic transfers in PayPal. Many of us set up recurring payments for subscriptions or services, and sometimes we need to cancel them. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to regain control over your finances. We'll make sure you understand exactly where to go and what to click to successfully stop any unwanted automatic transfers. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. First, you'll need to log into your PayPal account using a web browser, as this feature is best managed there. Once logged in, look for your settings or profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. From there, you'll want to find the Payments section. Within Payments, you should see an option labeled Automatic Payments or Pre-approved Payments. This is your hub for all recurring transactions, making it easy to manage them effectively. Once you're in the Automatic Payments section, you'll see a list of all your active recurring payments. Simply click on the name of the merchant or service for which you want to stop the automatic transfer. This will open up the details for that specific payment. Look for a Cancel button, usually prominent on the page. Clicking this button will stop all future automatic transfers to that particular merchant. It's a quick and effective way to manage your subscriptions. After clicking Cancel, PayPal will usually ask you to confirm your decision. Make sure to confirm to finalize the process. You should also receive an email from PayPal confirming that the automatic payment has been successfully canceled. It's always a good idea to keep this email for your records. If you have any doubts, or if the payment was for a service, you might also want to reach out to the merchant directly to ensure everything is in order. You've now successfully stopped an automatic transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.